Here's a pair of the T09 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So the first thing is we got to make sure that these are in pairing mode. Close the lid, make sure the earbud's in there, and then as soon as you open it, mine said pairing. Now it says connected, okay? So I'm connected to a different device right now. You'll know that you're in pairing mode if one of these is blinking blue, red, blue, red. I'm not getting blue, red on any of these earbuds because I'm connected to a different device, okay? So I'm actually connected to my iPhone here, okay? So in order for me to put these in a pairing mode, because I'm connected to my iPhone, I could go to my Bluetooth here, and you can see the T09 is paired to this device right here. It says connected. So I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can click here, I can disconnect, or I can forget device. If I do any of those three, I'll just forget device, basically delete off the pairing list. If I do any of those three, it should automatically go into pairing mode. Okay, what do you know? Now one of them is blinking blue, red. So now it is in pairing mode, okay? So now let me shoot over to my Android phone here. I'm gonna go to settings, connections, Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and you see that little spinny thing there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here under available devices. It did find the T09. I found a bunch of other ones because I live in an apartment complex here. T09 is right there. Let's tap on that. With Android phones, you should get a pairing request right there. Tap on pair and give it one moment. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you still had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset this. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.